PID Controller Design Challenge, Enhancing System Performance. We are focusing on the step-by-step design process that's typical for undergraduate control systems courses. Given the Unity feedback system illustrated above, with the open-loop transfer function, and knowing it's currently operating with a dominant pole damping ratio of 0.707, your task is to design a PID controller that achieves the following performance enhancements. 1. Faster response, reduce the settling time by a factor of 2. 2. Eliminate steady-state error, ensure the steady-state error becomes 0 for a step input. Design procedure. Follow this systematic approach to design the PID controller. Important considerations. This design challenge emphasizes a classical control systems approach, leveraging root locus techniques for analysis and design. The PID controller is a powerful tool for improving system performance, and this exercise will demonstrate its practical application. Let me know if you'd like any clarification on the steps or want to discuss the design process in more detail.